To turn on or turn off replace swipe with single tap in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility, tap interaction and dexterity, and then tap assistant menu, and then on replace swipe with single tap, tap 6 under blue to turn on or tap 6 under gray to turn off. Respond to alarm, alert, and incoming calls by tapping instead of swiping. Tap 6 under blue to turn on or tap 6 under gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.